how to find settings and privacy on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings and privacy on your account on Instagram and on iOS phone. And now, as you see, after you click on your profile, click here, and now you will see settings and privacy. Click on it like this, and now as you see, you can manage your account center, you can manage your notifications, your time spent, you can manage your account privacy, and you can manage also all these things here. And that's how to find settings and privacy on your account on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.